A very warm good morning to everyone, respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Chalana on behalf of Standard 10, welcoming you all to today's morning assembly. Let's start our assembly with Devigan.
School, attention! Ready for everyone. Join your hands and close your eyes.
A place is a way to make us aware of our duties. So, I request.
Where is my country? All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
To present the 10 principles of Arya Samaj, I would like to call Prachi.
School, stand it is.
10 principles of Arya Samaj. Principle number 3. Vedas are the scriptures of all true knowledge. It is the first duty of Aryas to read them, hear them being read, and recite them to others. Principle number 4. We should always be ready to accept truth, and give up on truth. Thank you. New thoughts in the morning works like fuel which keeps us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So to present today's thought, here comes.
Good Good morning everyone. My name is Arpita Muli, class 4. Thought of the day is when you focus on problems, you will have more problems. When you focus on possibilities, you will have more opportunities. I repeated, when you focus on problems, you will have more problems. When you focus on possibilities, you will have more opportunities. Thank you.
School, attention. Ready for prayer song. School, standard is.
Updating ourselves every day is good and never ending habit. So Ayush will enlighten us with today's news headlines.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are: PM Modi visits Kashi Temple, Banaras railway station shortly after midnight. New American cases in Maharashtra, one in Gujarat, country's climbs to 41 in COVID cases. Jammu and Kashmir Jawans martyred, 14 injured in Srinagar bus attack and 2 cops killed. India votes against UNSC draft resolution that attempted security's climate action. Visually impaired man clears Odisha Public Service Commission examination. Spyware from NSO moons shutdown of its Pegasus unit sales of company. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now I would like to call Soap to deliver today's fact file.
Hello sir and ma'am, my name is Usra Khatun. We start 6 amazing facts about India. First, India has the second highest population in the world. Cows are considered scared in India. Third, Rajasthan has Temple of Red. India is the wettest inhabits place on earth. In India, Santa Claus as Christmas Baba in Hindi, Baba Christmas in Urdu. Thank you sir and ma'am.
Words are not only the vehicles in which thoughts are delivered, they are part of thinking. So, to present today's word, here comes Anjali.
word is tactical. Its meaning is to be connected with the particular method we use to achieve something. Its spelling is TACTICAL. I repeat the word tactical. Its meaning is to be connected with the particular method we use to achieve something. Its spelling is TACTICAL. Thank you.
School, attention. Ready for national anthem.
Don't be afraid to fail. It's proof you will soon be successful. With this, I would like to conclude today's assembly. Have a nice day. Thank you.
School, stand it is. Assembly dispersed.